Hi everyone, this video shows you how to replace the laser tube. Before disassembling the laser tube, you need to make sure to unplug the power cord from the power source at least 30 minutes in advance. This will avoid the risk of electric shock. First, you need to remove the high voltage and low voltage end wires of the laser tube. Next, drain the water from the laser tube. After unplugging the water pipe from the water outlet, lift the laser tube and tilt it to drain the water out of the laser tube. Be careful when picking up the laser tube to avoid hitting the machine. Finally, unplug the water pipe from the water inlet. Then remove the old laser tube and store it carefully. Prepare the new laser tube to be replaced. Carefully take out the laser tube from the box, taking care not to bump or drop it. Place it on the machine's bracket and align the bracket with the recommended support position of the laser tube. Connect the water inlet and outlet pipes according to the markings on the laser tube. And connect the power cord of the laser tube. The connection methods of different types of laser tubes may be slightly different. Just connect them according to the low voltage end and high voltage end. The light outlet is located at the low voltage end, and the other side is the high voltage end. Connect the water inlet and outlet pipes according to the markings on the laser tube. The laser tube has been replaced here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.